Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add stickers to Instagram stories. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. And in this section, you just simply swipe left and click a picture or upload a picture. It's up to you. So I'm just taking a picture. And after that, you just simply swipe up. And here you just in the search bar, you just simply type stickers. And here you get a lot of stickers, so add a sticker which you want to add to your story, and you can also search by name as well. So like I am searching mood, so you see that there are a lot of stickers here as well. And you can also get stickers by there. You just scroll down and you can get a lot of stickers. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.